Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss the important book sources which are required to clear the judiciary exam. The very important question is, do we have to buy all the books for all the subjects? Because itne sare subjects hain, the syllabus is very vast, and then somebody is preparing for 2 states, somebody is preparing for more than 2 states, 3 states, or let's say 5 states. So there are local laws, non-legal subjects, and a lot of other books and subjects also. So do we have to buy all the books? So the answer is no. We don't have to buy all the books. Some books for some subjects will work, and the other subjects, bare acts and some other materials will work. So let's start one by one and discuss which all books do you require to actually, which are, necessary material to clear the exam. So please understand, there are 5 major subjects in judiciary exams which are almost common in all the states, barring some exceptions, which are Constitution, BNS, IPC, the old IPC is now BNS, BNSS, which was CRPC, CPC, Indian Evidence Act, which is now Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam, we call it BSA. So there are 5 major subjects. Apart from that, there is Indian Contract Act, Transfer of Property Act, Indian Limitation Act, Specific Relief Act. These are also very common subjects which are tested in almost all the judiciary exams. Apart from them, there is also partnership in some of the states, in Partnership Act. There is also Arbitration Act, which is tested in states like Delhi and Bihar and some other states also. Then very important, family law, Hindu law and Muslim law, which is also a very common subject in almost all the states except few. So let's understand one by one which all books you should buy to cover these subjects. J.N. Pandey will go for Indian Constitution. If you ask me about Lakshmikant or MP Jain, then these books are for UPSC aspirants because इसमें पॉलिटी का पोर्शन होता है. J.N. Pandey is precise and concise and enough for a judiciary aspirant to clear and to answer the questions which are tested and to have an overall understanding of Indian Constitution which is required in the exam. So Constitution के लिए J.N. Pandey है. Contract के लिए you can go for R.K. Bangia or Avtar Singh. TPA, Transfer of Property के लिए you can go for R.K. Sinha again. Hindu law के लिए you can go for Poonam Pradhan or maybe Paras Dewan also. Muslim law के लिए no doubt Akil Ahmed. Then comes Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam, the 3 new criminal laws. So there is no good book still now in the market which you can go for. अभी के लिए there is no book, but older laws के लिए books थी. अभी new laws test हो रहे हैं तो उनके लिए अभी कोई reference books नहीं है. What you can do is you can read the bare act, read the older books only. For example, Kelkar for CRPC, IPC के लिए you can go for S.N. Mishra and Batuklal for Indian Evidence Act. And together with it, you can read the new bare acts which are launched in the year of 2023. Very soon in the market, we are going to find some very good books for new laws also. Then we are going to update you on that as well. Then talking about the other non-legal subjects. So if you talk about judgment writing, no doubt there is only one book which is very good and which covers all the syllabus, which is Robinjeet Singh. आप जजमेंट राइटिंग के लिए वो बुक ले सकते हैं. देन कम्स द स्टैटिक जीके. Lucent is also good. Ghatna Chakra is also good. For current affairs, I would suggest Pratyogita Darpan. Some candidates also find Pariksha Manthan a valuable source because of its concise and precise current affairs. If you ask me about English, because in some states English is also tested, Renan Martin is very good for English. Then if you have to buy MCQ solving book, then Universal, Lawmans or Singles, these can work for MCQ solving past year papers, and for mains also these 3 books are available in the market. So that's all. I hope the video is valuable. stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.